Hey guys, I'm back. This is Mike from Half the Battle Toys. I'm really excited about this new unboxing that I'm going to show you. I've been waiting for this set to come out from DNA for a very long time. In fact, I actually bought Power of the Prime's Predaking only because I saw that they were doing this upgrade kit, and so I'm very excited to unbox this and then show the transformation. So you saw Predaking, here's the box. I'm going to move Predaking out of the way, and I apologize for the extreme fisheye lens, but it was the only way to get Predaking into the frame. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this and we'll come back. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, here's the box art. The artwork itself is very reminiscent of almost a pure tracing of Predaking himself, but looks really good, plain and simple. Here's the back of the box, shows Predaking in all of his new glory with his sword. The figures in their retrospective characters. I will probably never put them into that pose, but it does look a little bit better with the wings. And then these are all the parts, as you can see. Okay. Let's see, here's some instructions. The instructions are going to be very necessary for this as you put it together. There's a lot of parts that have to snap in place, as you can see here. Alright, so one of the things that this came with as a kind of an extra add-on is they're including some new ratchet joints for one of these figures. Not really sure what, but make sure you put it on this way and not this way. So I guess we'll get back to that later and kind of figure out where that goes. All right, so in this package we got a couple of extra parts here. I think these are going to be feet for dive bomb. But I'm not quite sure. But we'll go ahead and pull these out. Take a look. Okay. The moment everybody's been waiting for. Let's start with the wings. Unlock those. So these are pretty simple. It looks like they just plug and play right onto the King. They do have some really awesome articulation. Maybe. That's very tight. A few little... No, looks pretty good. Paint's not quite perfect, but I'm still excited to have it. Plastic is about the same quality, on par with Hasbro's plastic. It's fully extended. All right. Set those aside. And now, there was a lot of comments on some of the boards about what this is. Still figuring it out, but according to the instructions, it goes into his back and helps fill space in the back. Only reason. Not really sure any other reasons, but okay. Here's the sword. Alright, so these guys come apart. And alright, and there you have the sword. Pretty cool. And then he comes with a pair of hands. I'm excited to put these hands on there. They are a little loose. The fingers are pretty loose, but he's got a full range of articulation on the fingers, which is not so much for the actual hands. Looks like we've got to spread them apart. That's pretty wicked. And he also has, I can open this up, and then this flips out somehow. And now he's got finger spikes. All right, I had to take this off the tripod, so I apologize for the shakiness, but there he is in his glory with his sword. You can see opposable hands. Turn him around here. See what the back looks like. So the wings don't quite extend as far as I would have liked. I would have liked to see this come up more at an angle, but that's what it is. There's where that piece goes in the back. You can see this fills in that space and it locks in right there. So this is nice and sturdy. He's pretty sturdy as far as the components go, but it is a Hasbro Predaking, so he does have his Hasbro issues like most Hasbro products. But I'd say that he looks much improved. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks again for checking out Half the Battle Toys, because remember, knowing is half the battle.